Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Latoya. If you like my videos and my content, don't forget to subscribe right down here below. Give this video a thumbs up, people, and comment down in the comment section because I like to be chatting with you guys on social media if you want to. But we're gonna get into this video. In today's video, I will be telling you guys all about 4 simple tips what I do to keep my skin looking glowy, dewy, nice, and summer ready. Hey! So let's get straight into this. My first, and this is one of the best things what I've learned, is dry brushing, people. Yes, dry brushing your skin can actually help a lot. So I have my brush right here. I know some people have like sensitive skin, like when you know, like brushes or pinch or whatsoever. Yes, I do have that on certain spots on my body, but I take my time and dry brush, and this is what I use right here. I bought this at LOUA, but you can get this by any beauty supply store.
This is very good. When to dry brush? Did I say when to dry brush?
Yeah, this feels good. I'm sorry. I'm gonna do when to dry brush. To dry brush, actually, you can do it before or after you shower, with both ways. And before I go to the shower, I take off all my clothes, you know, get naked, everything. Then I take my brush, and this is what I do. I always brush towards my heart. I learned that. And why? It's because of the blood circulation. So I take it and I brush like this gently. Girl, even stuff on your armpits, like, this is what I'm doing, right? Or you can do this after you shower. So after you like already done bathe everything, your skin is still wet. What you're gonna do is take the brush, well, sorry, not the brush, but take your product, rub it up, moisturize your body, and you will still see like the water is like on your skin mixed up with your moisturizer or your cream or anything. Then take your dry brush and do the same thing and just let that sit there. When you start feeling like a little bit of a tingly burning sensation, don't go ham on your skin. You know, you only have one skin, you want to take care of it. It's the biggest organ in our bodies, so take care of it. I'm just saying, that is what I like to do. So that's my #1 tip, is dry brushing. My next tip, what I love also to do, sometimes I make them by myself, but sometimes, you know, I want to try like new stuff, is body scrubs. Very good. And here is one brand what I really like. I bought this down in Italy, but I make also my own body scrubs, and I pass them out to family and friends so they can actually try out my body scrubs if they are like good or not, because I like to make them myself and I just like to switch up the product. But here is one. This is scrubbing clay, and it's very interesting. It smells really good. It's brand new. Fun. But this is clay, as you can see, and what you have to do is take like a pinch of this amount, and this is what I do. You wet it like your body is wet already, and then I'm not gonna take that much. Take it and then you just rub it onto your skin, so while your skin is like all wet and stuff. Habits are very important, because like I said again, it's the same thing like dry brushing. It's taking away like dead skin cells from your skin. But not only that alone, is that I find like body scrubs, they come in so different variation. And one body scrub what I really love is like when they have like oil inside, and I use the body scrub, and when I come off the shower, my skin is glowing. So that is what I did today, and my skin, you know, is giving me that glowy summer dewy vibe, and I love doing that. So that is one. The next tip what I really like is, the next thing is body oil. And I've been using this body oil for maybe around like 2 years ish, but I use it mostly in the summertime, and also like when I'm going in the Caribbean. I like to use body oils. I do not use creams or anything. So one body oil I use is from Garnier, and it's like 5 different type of oils inside. It smells amazing. It smells so amazing, like your skin will be like so refreshing. So you know, eye dry brush. And it's a spray. What is really good, a spray, so you could just spray all your body, like especially for carnival time. When you know, you spray it. So I'm gonna just spray it and show you guys. So after, this is like to get the glow up, and I rub that in my skin like this. You can see, look at people, this is the shoulder without any product. I just moisturize my skin, and this is the, so after like I dry brush and everything, and I just put on that, look at that, people, look at this. So body oils is also very good. It lasts long on my skin. It keeps your skin hydrated and moisturized. Some people do tend to get like on their hands or maybe on their feet, get like a little bit dryness and ashiness, but there's a simple trick that I'm gonna tell you guys. Take your body oil and your moisturizer and put it on. Mix it up together and then put it on. You won't be missing anything. This is very good. And I'm gonna also do like an upcoming video about body oils, because there are different type of body oils for different type of stuff. So that is good. And my final tip for you to get that summery, glowy, coming out of quarantine looking like a hot girl is face mask. Wouldn't believe it or not, I talk about face masks already. You can check out my videos about them. But face masks, like mostly the ones what I will recommend you guys is the vitamin C and the hydration mask. Hydrate your face, put on your serum or your oil or whatsoever. When you're done, and you just let that all sit, put on your sunscreen, and then you go outside. You know how you look so good, you look so bomb. It's really amazing. So you guys, those are like my 4 tips and 4 products. Yeah, 4 products. But I showed you guys how to get your glow up when you come out of quarantine and you're looking good, and people ask me, how your skin so glowy, how you looking so moisture, why you smelling so good, and why your skin looks so healthy. Don't forget that. So you guys, that was my tips. You can subscribe to my channel right down here below. Give this video a thumbs up and comment down in the comment section. So you guys, don't forget, be safe, and I love y'all.